Do you know that you have the amazing capacity to master emotions? You can generate good feelings in your body and mind even when things are rough. You see, when you are happy, you're not just happy. There is a corresponding chemistry that matches the emotions you're feeling. And you can change the emotion by changing the chemistry. You do this by thinking, for example, of how you would feel when you achieve that great goal or pass that exam or embark on your new career. Smile and act as if you are there already. By changing the way you think and the way you act, you can change the way you feel. I'm Dr. Ken Ned.